Mahout Anand, followed by Aprila with Mahout Lemons. In the center, give it up for Gambe and Mahout Paul. And last but not least, the star of our show, Jyoti with Chief Mahout Rama, welcoming all of you to Elephants at Play.
C'était drôle.
Being fully grown, an elephant can weigh as much as 4,000 kilograms or sometimes even more. But despite being that heavy, they still have an excellent sense of balance, as Gambe is demonstrating to us by walking on that narrow surface. And to be honest with you guys, this is pretty easy for Gambe, and she will impress you further by making a half turn on that very narrow tree surface. And just take a look at the amount of concentration on that beautiful face. And she makes sure none of her 4 feet ever touch the ground.
Elle va pas donner de l'eau,
Almost
d'accord?
halfway through her act. One more foot to go down there. And she's all done. Now those of you with cameras, keep them on standby. She will give you a very nice pose. 1 foot up. And the other, how about that? A 2-footer salute by a 3-ton elephant. The elephants have got big feet, but the maximum ridges on the soles of their feet gives them good grip, making them excellent climbers of mountains, steep hills, and even cliffs. And like I said before, a fully grown elephant can weigh as much as 4 tons, which means they can do whatever they want to do, right? But then why do they listen to their mahouts? Well, that is because of a close bond of trust and friendship. Now let's look at some non-verbal forms of communication. Good afternoon, mahouts.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Paul. Can you have the elephants move to their right, please?
Sure.
Gentle taps on the elephant's right, and they move to their right. How about left? Same thing again, gentle taps on their left, and the elephants move to their left. What did you guys think of that? Paul?